Money is not everlasting, ephemeral like a dewdrop. Anyone who boasts of having it is a fool. Just as a cat lies there and waits to catch a mouse, money lingers in the homes of those who possess her, ready to plunge them into hell. Just as water cannot remain in cupped hands, money never stays put. And anyone who, having grasped this fleeting wealth and a mortal body, indulges in sensual pleasures is the ultimate fool. A fool who naively clings to life at death's very doorstep. It is like a foolish frog trapped in a snake's jaws, still dreaming of feasting on mosquitoes. So too does man, even when standing on the brink of death, relentlessly yearn for pleasure.